Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to make gut-friendly Piña Colada Smoothie. Are you looking for a refreshing feel-good smoothie that supports digestion and tastes like summer in a glass? This postbiotic Piña Colada Smoothie is a delicious blend of tropical fruit and gut-friendly ingredients. It's perfect for hot days or any time your body needs a little reset. Here's the reason why you love it. This smoothie isn't just tasty, it's a nourishing drink that helps hydrate, energize, and restore balance from inside out. You want to know what makes it gut-friendly? The key ingredient, koso, is a traditional Japanese fermented drink made from over 100 whole food ingredients from Japan, such as seasonal fruits, vegetables, seaweed, mushrooms, and Japanese herbs, fermented slowly for over a year. Adding just 1 tablespoon of koso original or 2 teaspoons of koso lower sugar gives this smoothie a gentle natural sweetness while delivering powerful benefit for your gut. Here's the benefit of adding koso to your smoothie. Support digestion and a healthy microbiome. Promote your body's natural detoxification, balance mood and boost energy. Improve skin and reduce bloating. Control your appetite and make it easier to manage your weight. It's natural gut-supporting drink with a purpose. For this gut-friendly Piña Colada smoothie, you'll need 1 tablespoon of koso original or 2 teaspoons of koso lower sugar, half cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of coconut water, 1 frozen banana, half cup of frozen pineapple. Pineapple isn't just juicy and flavorful, it's packed with bromelain. Bromelain is a digestive enzyme that helps break down protein. It's high in vitamin C, which supports immune health, and antioxidants that fight inflammation. Vitamin C also helps absorption of iron and support collagen production. This recipe includes both coconut milk and coconut water, giving you a dose of healthy fat and electrolyte. Coconut milk provides medium-chain triglycerides, which are easy to digest fat that support brain function and energy. Coconut water is naturally rich in potassium, magnesium, and sodium, making it a perfect hydration tool, especially in the heat. All you need to do to make this smoothie is to add all the ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass, garnish with a pineapple slice, and enjoy. This smoothie is a delicious way to incorporate gut-healthy food and drinks into your daily routine. Whether you are just starting your wellness journey or are already a fan of fermented food, this is a sweet, simple way to nourish your microbiome and beat the heat naturally. If you want to learn more about gut health, sign up for our newsletter. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.